Sa businessman, maraming hamon, di ba? Hindi nauubos. So, tangkapin mo yung hamon at lakasan mo yung loob mo, magkaroon ka ng pananampalataya. How do you do this? We believe that God is behind us as business people. We believe that the Word of God, the promises of God are for us. So, yan ang magpapalakas sa atin ng loob. Pangalawa, join a community of entrepreneurs. Ito, nagbuo kami ng Facebook community, Facebook Kapayaman Nation. Kasi doon sa community na yon, makikita mo, pag nag-join ka, you will find entrepreneurs helping one another in terms of tips and advices, no? Join that kasi if every day you encounter those tips and advices, you will see na lahat ng problema may solusyon. Start training your mind na pagka may problema, may solusyon. Kasi pagka may problema, ang natural tendency natin, sumusuko tayo kaagad. No. A businessman knows how to face the challenge. Ako, blessed ako because of my experience as a business consultant. Araw-araw nakakasalimuha ako mga business people. And na-train ako kung paano mag-isip. There will be problems, of course, but then there will always be a solution because we see ourselves as the solution to the problem.